There are a variety of assistive devices to help participants walk and do ADLs more safely and easily. Members of the participant's healthcare team will identify the type of device needed, and physical therapists usually determine the right size of device and teach the participant about proper use. Gait belts are safety devices used to assist people who are weak, unsteady, or uncoordinated. They are not to be used as lifting devices. Please see the video Applying a Gait Belt for Transfer or Ambulation for more information on how to put a gait belt on a person. To use a gait belt to assist with walking, grasp the gait belt with one hand, palm up, and walk behind and slightly to one side of the person. Place your free hand on the person's shoulder to steady him or her. If the person stumbles, widen your base of support, pull back on the gait belt, and steady the person using your hand that is on the person's shoulder.
Okay, so I pushed you back, Chris, with my hand that was ready to bring balance. See how you can do this and I can still help you?
Yes, I feel good.
When turning corners, take small steps. A cane can be used by people who can support most or all of their own weight. If the person uses the cane for stability, the cane can be gripped in either hand. Encourage the person to move the cane at the same time that they move their opposite leg. If the person has an injury or disability, encourage the person to grip the cane in the hand opposite their weak leg. Make sure the person moves the cane first, then the weaker leg, followed by the stronger leg. Walk next to the person on their weaker side as they use the cane. A walker is usually used by people who either need some assistance bearing their own body weight or who need some assistance with balance. They also must have the arm strength and grasping ability to manage a walker. Make sure any items hanging from the walker do not create a safety or trip hazard. Place the walker about 1 foot in front of the person. Make sure all 4 wheels or legs are on the ground. Encourage the person to grasp the bar with both hands, one on each side. The person should be walking inside the walker for support, but not right up to the bar. Walk beside the person as they use the walker. Avoid sharp turns as you are changing directions. Instead, cue the person to make slow, wide-angle turns.